Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. The quantitative aptitude or the QA section in general this year round seemed to be a little bit on the difficult side. Okay, that is the question that has been asked this year. They seem to be a little bit more calculation intensive. That is, they were more time in taking, and also they required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve these questions. Okay. So having said that, what we'll be doing in this video is that we'll be taking a few questions from the paper itself, and then subsequently we'll try and solve this question so that whenever we come across questions such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So with all that said and done, let's focus on the question in front of us. We'll start off with number 59 and then subsequently proceed to number 62. Okay. So let's take a look at 59. Two trains of same lengths are running in a parallel direction in parallel tracks in opposite direction. Okay, with speed 65 km per hour and 85 km per hour respectively. They cross each other in 6 seconds. The length of each train is okay. So let's try and understand something. One train is going in this direction, and another train is going in this direction. Okay, they are going in parallel tracks. This one's speed say is 65 km per hour and this one's speed be 85 km per hour, and they cross each other in 6 seconds. Okay, so yes, they cross each other in 6 seconds, and then subsequently what else we have? Yes, they are of equal length. So let their length of trains equal to x. Okay, so therefore if we use the concept as we know, time equal to distance by speed, and in this case will be effective length effective by relative speed. Okay, that would be 6. Length effective will be 2x because both the trains are going that way. This will be 65 plus 85 because they are going in opposite directions, so they will be added up. This would be 2x by 60 plus 70, so this will be 100. Okay, now this 150 is in kilometer per hour and the time is in seconds, so let me convert this into meter per second. So 2x into 150 into 5 by 18, okay, meter per second. So okay, so this can be further given by 3. So x can be written as 3 into 150 into 5 by 18, 6. Okay, so this comes out to be 75 by 3. Okay, this comes out to be 25. So therefore x is 25 into 5 or 125 meters. Okay, option C will be my answer. So I hope it is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So having said that, let's move on to the next question. Okay, number 60. The cost price of 18 articles is equal to the selling price of 15 articles. Find the gain. Okay, so it's given CP of 18 is equal to SP of 15. Okay, Now we know gain is given as SP minus CP. Okay, that is how we denote gain. Okay, so let me do one thing. CP of 15 plus CP of 3 equal to SP of 15. Therefore, CP of 3 will be equal to SP of 15 minus CP of 15. Okay, so therefore here gain is equal to CP of 3. Okay, now let CP be rupees 1 per article. Okay, so therefore CP of 3 articles will be equal to 3, and CP of how many? We have 18 in this case, right? No, how many we have? We have 15. Okay, so we are talking about 15 articles. Okay, CP of 15 articles will be equal to 15. Okay, so therefore profit percent 3 by 15 into 100 by 20 equal to 20%. Okay, option B will be my answer. So I hope this is clear as well. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, number 61. As given, if the graph of 3x minus 5 by equal to minus 8 and 3x plus 5 by equal to 32 intersect at point P and Q, then we need to find P minus Q. Okay, so simple. There are multiple ways to do this. One would be simply plotting the graph of the same as well, but a simple way would be simply solving the equation. Okay, so here what we have, 3x minus 5y equal to minus 8 and 3x plus 5y equal to 32. Let me add these things up. Okay, 6x 24, therefore x equal to 4, and also y in this case would come out to be 4. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So therefore if we talk about the point of intersection in this case, so P will be 4 and Q will be 4, therefore P minus Q will be 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Option D. Okay, a very simple question. I hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the last one. Number 62. 50% will do a work in 12 days. Okay, working 6 hours a day, and 60% can do the same work in 8 days, working X hours a day. Okay, so what is the value of work, or what is the value of X? Okay, now try to understand one thing. Work will be directly proportional or inversely proportional to men. So more men, less work per man. Okay, work, oh no, sorry, my bad. Work is directly proportional to men. Work is directly proportional to days. More men, more work. More days, more work. And work is directly proportional to time, that is work per day, hour per day. So more time, more work. Okay, so this can be actually written as M1. So if I am to represent the same, let me do one thing. W equal to Km, W equal to Kd. Let me just give you a general idea how to solve these questions. Okay, so that things are understood to you. Kt. Here K is any constant, okay? So therefore W in this case can be written as, in all the cases it can be written as K is any constant, so M equal to KD equal to KT, or W, or rather let me represent the same in terms of K. So K constant can be written as W by M equal to W by D equal to W by T. So constant is anything, so even if I take 1 by K, that also remains to be the same by W by K, because it's a constant thing, okay? So I hope this thing is clear to you. So this we can actually easily represent this as, suppose I take 1 by K in this case, so it will come out to be simply as MDT. So if I take a certain constant K which should be equal, so that should be equal to W. So therefore we can actually write the relation M1 D1 T1 equal to M2 D2 and T2. Okay, so this is what we can write in these cases. Okay, so here in the first case we have 50 men, we have 12 days working 6 hours a day. In the second case we have 60 men work 8 days and working X hours a day. Okay, so it's cancelled, 6 and 6 goes, 3 2, so therefore X comes out to be equal to 5 by 2. Oh, no, X comes out, hang on, it's 15 15 by 2, okay, 7.5. 15 by 2 or 7.5 or 7 1 by 2, which will be our answer, option B. So I hope this is clear to you how we came about with the solution of the same. So with that said, we have come to the end of our video. So hopefully all the important concepts we have discussed. In this particular question also we discussed a lot of questions. In the previous questions also regarding the cost rate number 60, we again discussed a lot of questions as in how to arrive at the formula in such cases, and also in train cases we have also discussed a few formulas pertaining to rate speed. So hopefully all these things are clear to you. So with all that said and done, in case you have any doubt, kindly go through the video multiple times just to get a general idea on how to solve this kind of questions. Okay, so that also try and solve this question on your own, keeping the video as a reference, so that whenever we come across questions such as this, you are well equipped with the proceedings of the same. Okay. Having said that, in case you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to get in touch with us. You can actually go through the description wherein you will find a bunch of contact details with which you can come get in touch with us. So any doubt you might have regarding your exam preparation strategy, or any subject wise or any topic wise queries you might have, if you need to our help with respect to any questions or any topics on which you need explanations about, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion on the similar questions in subsequent videos. Until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.